So back and roll.
Yes.
Over to you.
Okay.
Okay, before you do back and roll, is that helping you?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's definitely helping.
Is it helping you, like, what is the prompting and what is the client-centered learning?
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously.
What need to be addressed if your learner is not dealing it here?
Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, it's more. I think it's more. A part 3 type of learning. So it's definitely helping me.
So in case you gone out, I'm not talking about the test only, but any lesson.
Yeah, any lesson. Yeah.
You gone out to teach something, but something else comes into
then
in
you need to
between.
mention it. Yes.
So you need to work towards it.
Yeah.
That's your learning needs at the time to learn for that one. Then, if you have a time, then we go for the original subject, whichever we have planned.
Yeah, I think there's a subject there as well. If they did the trainer alter the plan.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Fine. Over to you whenever ready.
Left or right?
Right.
Okay. Move. So we're going to turn another road. We're going to turn right, please.
Oh, okay. Move off here.
Move off and ready. Yeah. So you're happy with my direction, because obviously you were confused with there. So when we're turning right on this road.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It was like I was not sure road or.
Okay. Yeah. That's fine. So my apologies. So yeah. So if you're not unsure, just ask me again. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. And I'll. Yeah. So is it van coming now? So move up when you're ready. It's a safe place to do so. I know you know the stopping distance for small car. What about the large vehicle? Do you remember that?
Oh, when I can see tire and top.
Tire and top. That's good.
Yeah.
So we're turning right.
Oh yeah.
And remember your points.
Oh yeah, the reference point. Yes.
Reference point. Yeah. So we can walk
across and
come back. Yeah.
Come back. Yes.
Yeah, good. And this is slightly blocked for you. So
okay.
Yep.
Out of road, yeah? Nothing behind us. So prompt me. What sort of technique you can use here? Can you roll down the window? Can you listen to the sound?
Oh yes, yeah. So we let this partition pass through.
So back in roll.
Yeah, back in roll. So what other techniques we can use in this type of scenario when we can't see it?
Oh, peep and creep. Looking at reflections.
Yep. Anything else?
Listen to sound. I can roll down the window.
Yeah, open the window.
Yeah.
Just like when we do maneuvers, we open our windows to hear the sound.
Yeah.
So we have a possibly meet situation again.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're gonna pull up on the left hand side.
Okay.
And there's a car behind you as well. Just aware of that as well. Yeah. So right mirror check.
Yeah.
Good. And they're stopping for us. Again, we have a meet situation.
Yeah.
Remember where we're going to stop?
Oh yeah, this way left here.
Yeah. Did you realize that driver wasn't looking at us?
No.
He was looking at the houses over there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So you know what the consequence from that?
Yeah, they might be distracted.
Yeah. So just end of the road. Turn.
Take the next road.
Take the next road to the right, please. Yep. And your reference point here, please. Yeah.
Oh yeah. This one here.
Yeah. And pull up on the left hand side, safe and lean.
I just pull up left here in the box here or next to the curb.
Okay. Thank you.
And out of road.
Yes.
Yeah, out of road. How is this one? This turning point.
Which turn? Just
this one. Yeah, approaching right here. So we talked about earlier the reference point and positioning.
Yes.
So there was no line in between that road, right?
Yeah, no, there was no line.
So what we can use here, like this road here also?
We can make an imaginary line.
Imaginary line
on the left and right. Yeah. But I thought you were in the right position.
Yeah.
You wasn't.
But no, I was.
But obviously we can make imaginary just in the roundabout.
Yeah.
There's no line.
Yeah.
We can make imaginary lines.
So what about like they start going early this way? So before they're going early, so ask them, how are you going to position this junction?
Okay.
There's no line here, so how are you going to position the car?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Just one proper person.
Yeah, imaginary line.
Yeah. Oh, I will position this side of it.
Yeah. Fair enough. Yeah.
No worries, I'll let you do it. Yeah.
Okay.
But see that car behind us earlier?
Oh yeah. It was very close to us. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. They were in a rush to go.
Yes.
So they were trying to go over.
Did I mention that to you? I mentioned this to you. There's a car behind you as well.
Yeah, you did mention it. Yeah, you did mention it.
Yeah. So what I would have done as a trainer, like to get you out of the way, out of the road? Or?
I mean, if they are really tailgating you
Yeah.
and you have long journey and not struggling, you can ask them to just pull up left side, just let them pass.
Let them pass. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough.
Like you let them go, like any emergency services.
Yeah.
You let them go, you
Yeah.
let them pass.
Yeah. Don't try to get them upset. Otherwise, they will be like we're closing. You,
Yeah, exactly.
tailgating you.
Maybe it's a school rush timing.
Yes. Yeah.
Some parent maybe have to pick up from 2 different schools,
Sure.
so they're in a rush to go. Yeah.
Okay.
Can happen.
Yeah.
From here, what we can learn? Just something happened now, and someone beeped also.
I think the learner car was too wide.
One,
Yeah, and there's a car parked up there. No.
which is fine.
Yeah, the car is parked fine.
Which is fine. It's parked up. I mean, there's a bay to park up.
Yeah.
Right?
No, but he's parked up in the wrong place. There's a junction there.
No, it's a base actually.
Oh, he's a bay there.
It's a base,
Yeah.
so you can park.
Yeah. I know you're looking after your school. Your dress.
That's it. It's fine.